Okay, as we go along each week, we're going to come across some vocabulary words, and one of the little mini books is called the Vocabinet. And there are 11 different PDFs that we can print out to create this Vocabinet, and you can get a picture of the completed one on the Facebook page in the album. So to build it, this is kind of the inside. You can print this on paper or cardstock, whatever you want. And then here are the doors. So we have the doors. The doors will fit onto the Vocabinet. So I'd like you to prep this before the first class so we can start putting our vocabulary words in as we come across them in classes. So inside the Vocabinet, we are going to put, here are the different pages of vocabulary words. You can just leave these as is and we can cut them out as we go. And then you have two choices for the definitions. You can either print page 10 3 times, and then it gives you the space to write it out. Or honestly, you can probably just write it on the inside of these if you don't need the lines, and that's okay too. Or you can print out the already typed up vocabulary definitions. So yes, so please print and assemble these 3, and we'll show you how to do that. Thanks. Okay, so there are 3 pages of the vocabulary word kind of drawer things or whatever, and Grace is going to tell you what to do with them.
Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut them out individually, but you're going to want to leave the white part on, and then after you're done cutting them, you can fold them in half on this little dotted line that they have. And then once you've done that with all of them, I'm using a binder clip to hold them all together. And then you're going to want to take your vocabulary word definitions and then your answers for them, and then you're going to want to clip that onto there, and then you can have them all together.
And then they'll be ready to go when we need them each week.
Mm-hmm.
Now, to assemble the cabinet, we have the back page, and then there's the 2 doors. And then you're going to glue them together. So do it. Let's get it put together.
I'm just using a glue stick and then stick it on.
I'm trying to line it up. And these will be the doors, and they'll close and cover it all up.
Lined up.
Yeah.
Nope.
Can you get it? You want to adjust it? That's the beauty of a glue stick. You can reposition it.
Let's try and get it actually lined up on there.
It was close. How's that?
Okay. Once you get that one, and then we're going to do the other one.
Nice. And show them what it looks like.
And then it's like a cabinet.
And then we will be putting the little folded pieces on here, 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 and here as we go.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Okay, so you guys are wanting to print and assemble the cabinet, and then have your little
Folded
pieces in the vocab by Thursday.
Thank you.